Hi, it's Candy. Welcome to The Art of Planning, where we focus on planning in a very powerful way that will help us all achieve whatever it is we want to achieve. So we do that on purpose, and we do it pretty or where it's pleasing to the eye, because that just always helps us eventually be powerful in our planning. And I don't know about you, but I always am on the quest for something that will help me be more organized in all of that too. So I never seem to be able to be organized as much as I would want to. So I wanted to hop on today, and I wanted to share with you one of the latest tools that I am using in my search for more organization. Now, it's a little late in the day to be filming in all natural light like I do, but I did want to show this to you and how I am using it. Now, this is from We Are Memory Keepers, and it is called officially the We Are Memory Keepers Bloom Embellishment Storage. I actually ordered it off of HSN. So let me show you how it works. Okay, so this is the unit closed up. Okay, now it's called the Bloom Kit because here's what you do to open it up. Okay, it looks like I don't know what I'm doing. I do. I have not used it often. I just got it several days ago. Okay, so I'm trying to do it where my arm doesn't get in the way for you and where you can see it all. Okay, so it's like a flower. It blooms and opens up, or you switch the top and it goes to a much more enclosed compact unit. Okay, so there it is closed, here it is opened. That's pretty nifty. After I ordered it, I got to thinking about it. You know, one of those things where you order it and go, oh my gosh, what did I just do? And I thought, oh, that's going to be too big. It's going to be too bulky. Where am I going to put it? It's really a nice compact piece. So close and open. Now here's what I think I'm going to do with it. I am always wanting to have the things I'm using for a certain project all together. And I've never exactly found out some way to do that where I can seem to have them together and be able to keep those die cuts, to keep those little things that I have, the embellishments, to keep little pieces of washi, you know, my different washi tapes, that kind of thing. I've never found anything that will do that exactly like I want to do it, and I think this may be my answer. So let me show you. Let me show you again. There it is. Close it. Here it is open. Now you're going to be able to see I do have some pieces in it. So here are some hearts. This, I have die cut these. That's one of those big Tim Holtz dies. I say big meaning it's thick. Okay, so here those are in a glittery pink color. Here they are. I've cut them out of two different pink colors. Now all of my hearts could actually go in one spot, so I could actually put all of my hearts right here. In this piece over here, let's whip it around like this. In here there are a glitter light green, a glitter dark green, there's glitter black, and there's some glitter gold. So since I am just starting to do it, I imagine that I will find all sorts of different ways to use this. But here, I have again die cut. Here is the word smile. Now over here to the left a little bit, here also, these I think are the hardest things to figure out how to organize. Here is smile in kind of a gold color and in a hot pink color. I've had these in envelopes before. I've never known what to do with them. Wow, they fit so well right there. That says smile. Here is a set in 3 different colors that say girl. Now, here's going to be my question. Do I put smile all there? Can I add girl to it? Or do I put girl over here? You know, I'm just going to have to figure out how I want that to work the best. I think the little die cut words are the hardest to figure out how to store and how to use and all of that. Okay, so here is girl again in a black. So I'm going to put the girl in here with the other girls. Okay, now just FYI, here was my method of storage whenever I'm working on one particular set that belongs together. Like whenever I'm doing new pages for a new binder, and I'm doing like dividers, I'm doing page markers, I'm doing the cute little cards for the inside set. Here's how I've organized things before, okay? Let's just scoot this up here. So here's my method of organization. I mean, you know, what do you do with them? You die cut these cards or these hearts in all of these, you know, cute different colors and coordinating ones. Now this also, of course, is going to be too big to go in the little blossom organization tool, but this is a piece of ephemera. It goes with all of them. I purchased that when I purchased my papers and my cardstock set and my embellishments, but so that I have them all handy whenever I'm working on that set of things. How do I have them handy and keep them together and, you know, keep everything? Well, I put them in this cute little paper bowl, or before I would separate them out, I'd put them in a little muffin paper, you know, just to keep them all together. Or I put them in muffin papers and I would stack the muffin papers. So, you know, everything coordinated. But here are, I die cut these little tags in the coordinating papers. And I'd put those all in its own little muffin paper. And then I would die cut another group of things, or maybe they were smaller embellishments that go with the group, and I'd put them in their own little set of muffin papers. And then the really small embellishments, I'd put them in another little set of paper muffin things. And you know what, that worked okay, but golly, you know, then I have to go digging through muffin papers. So now the really small embellishment pieces for one set, we can get the mini tiny things together and we can put them right there. See if there's anything below this. Nope, that's empty. Okay, now let's go to some of the hearts. So these are for all of the things that coordinate to one specific project that I'm working on, okay? So those all coordinate. So they would work really well in this size of one of the blossoms. So let's just put those all together. They're all going to be hearts of some size, and everything is going to coordinate together with the group of papers that I'm working on with this. Some of them are minis, but they all have hearts and they all coordinate together right there, okay? Now, here are some more. These are the ones where some of the hearts are larger. If you'll notice, I have put hearts, I've already started hearts down here in this group. Can you see that? So what I'm going to do, they all coordinate. So I'm going to put the larger hearts down here in this petal of the set. And these I can put right there also. And these I can put right here too. And these I can put there. I could put these up here too. You know, that doesn't matter so much. Here's a couple of other hearts that are die cuts. Okay, here are tags that coordinate with the set. So I'm just going to be able to have everything all together. And this is going to be for one group that I'm working on. Now I can see envisioning this for a different way too, in a different way also. And you know what? I'll probably be able to use it in numerous ways. As I use it, I'll figure out different ways to use it. But right now, oh my goodness, I am so excited. So all of these little pieces, these tags, for right now, I'm going to put those in there. I am going to relieve this paper muffin piece of all of its little tags. They're a little bit bigger than these. They all coordinate. Wow. So they're going to go in here too. And that's going to work. And now, a lot of these pieces are just big enough. They're not going to fit. Some of them will. I don't know if I'm going to put those in here or not. These pieces, those actually are on something else that I am working with. So for right now, guess where those little babies are going? They're going to go, you're right, they're going to go in a little paper muffin cup. Okay, here's just another piece that I have die cut. That's going in there. Okay, and there are words, and you know what? I'm not exactly sure how I want to do that, but for right now, let's just take these sweet little words. And these words say pretty in different colors. And they say dream, and they say shine. Here's your shine. Here's another pretty. I just want my words. I want to organize my words. And these are off of 2 different dies. But they all go with this group that I'm using. So we're going to get these organized together and ready to use with this group. And they're going to go together in one of these larger petals. And I know anytime I reach for that color, I want words to go with this set. Those are all going to go right there. So, I just wanted to share with you that wonderful tool that I have found. I'm so excited about it. And see, now I still have, there's still several petals that are empty that I can use in different ways. Oops, I got myself a smashed one. There we go. So, there is the, let me tell you the name. We Are Memory Keepers Bloom Embellishment Storage Piece. And again, I got mine from HSN, but I would imagine that they're available in a number of places. I love it. It helps me be organized, and it helps me do my planning so that it can be powerful, which is our ultimate goal, because I don't know about you, but I got way too many things going on, and I want to get it as organized as I can. So be sure, if you like it, give it a thumbs up, do the subscribe, do all of that stuff, but most of all, know that I always appreciate the fact that you took some time out of your day to watch this video. I appreciate you so very much. Thanks for watching. I will see you soon. Bye.